Here's another tip from Rolling Strong, with insights to help you stay healthy on the road.
Try this energizing meditation when you first wake up in the morning or when you need a little extra energy throughout your day. This is Christy Coughlin, Wellness Coach with Rolling Strong. As with all the meditations in this series, first find a comfortable seat. It's best to support your back. If you can cross your legs, that's a nice position, but you can also have your legs out extended in front of you. Close your eyes if you feel comfortable. And let's do a quick body scan to bring a relaxation to your body and to come into your space. So relax your face, relax your shoulders, down your arms to your hands. Relax your spine all the way down to your pelvis. Relax your legs through your knees and your feet. Let's take a few deep inhales and exhales. So inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Inhale through your nose, exhale out your mouth. So for this meditation, we're going to energize our body by using the energy around us that is provided to us through Mother Nature. And we're going to take energy from three sources: the earth or the ground, the air around us, and the sunlight above us. So what I'd like you to do is visualize energy from those three sources coming into your body, circulating throughout your body, and giving all the cells in your body energy. And I'll guide you through as we start first with energy from the earth. So think about the ground you're sitting on and all the energy bubbling up underneath the earth. Take that energy from the earth and the ground in through your sits bones and let it circulate all the way up through your body. So just visualize that for a few breaths. Next, visualize the air swirling around your body. All the energy in the air. Think about it coming into all the pores surrounding your skin. Take in the energy from the air in through all your pores and let it flow through your body. And lastly, think about the energy that comes from the sunlight. The warm sun providing so much energy to our world. Feel that warm energy from the sun on your face and in your head and drink it in and let it flow through your whole body. take a moment to take in just a bit more energy from all three sources together: the earth or the ground, the air around you, and the sun. Bring all that positive energy from Mother Nature into your body. Take that energy out into the world as you make it a great day. Wiggle your fingers and your toes. Open your eyes. I hope you feel some good energy and feel ready for whatever faces you. This is Christy Coughlin, Wellness Coach with Rolling Strong.
We're glad to offer these podcasts, and we hope you find them useful. At Rolling Strong, we're here to help.